Welcome to the instructions video for the Exhaust Diameter Interactive Calculator. This tool helps you determine the optimal exhaust pipe diameter for your engine based on displacement, RPM, cylinder count, and desired gas velocity, ensuring proper exhaust flow and engine performance. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter several key values. First, input your engine displacement in cubic inches or liters. Next, enter the maximum RPM where you want optimal exhaust flow. Then specify the number of cylinders in your engine. Finally, enter your target exhaust gas velocity, typically between 200 and 300 feet per second. The calculator also considers volumetric efficiency, which you can adjust based on your engine type. Once you click Calculate, the tool displays the recommended exhaust pipe inner diameter. This ensures your exhaust system provides the right balance between low back pressure and sufficient gas velocity for effective cylinder scavenging. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.